Yo, what's up, YouTube? Pip Danny over here. Welcome back to another trade recap. I believe day 13. But yeah, tomorrow it's US elections, and I might not trade at all like this week, which is left. Let's see. But anyways, today I took a short. Basically on the 1 hour time frame, we were bearish. We had this low over here. Wait. Yeah, this low over here, which got close below, we went on a downtrend. Then we had actually, wait, were we bullish? I don't think so. I think my bias might be wrong. Let's see. I'm gonna actually upload this to show my mistakes as well. But we got closed. No, actually, we were bearish. I'm just tired. That's why I couldn't focus up. But this was our high, which didn't got closed above. So we're still on a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame. Then this was our high, which we did close above, but then we had a 1 hour retracement to the downside. But yeah, so I was actually looking for sell buy side liquidity to get swept. So I went to the 15-minute time frame, and my liquidity was this over here. As you can see, I think that was a bad liquidity, but I think that's another reason I actually lost. But let's see, we had this liquidity, it got swept over here, and I went to the 1 minute time frame. As you can see over here, it got swept over here. It created like few imbalances, which I didn't enter because first of all we had this imbalance over here, which price was actually consolidating, but so I didn't enter. Then we had this imbalance over here, which just got closed above on the first candle. But then actually we had this imbalance before. I'm sorry, my bad. But yeah, first we had this, then we had this second one, which I actually entered off, and I saw a good reaction, like price going into the fair value gap and closing below it. Then we saw a big enough candle, a bearish candle, for me to actually enter. I entered over here, had my take profit on the 15-minute liquidity, on the 15-minute sell side liquidity, as you can see over here. Then my stop loss was below the recent swing high, and I actually got stopped out, as you can see. Then price just went smashed to my take profit. Now what I believe over here was my mistake was that price was actually a on a uptrend on the 1 minute time frame, so I can add that confluence as well. But as you can see, it was on an uptrend. This was our low. It didn't got closed below, so we were still bearish when the time I entered. Yeah, it didn't got closed below. Then it made lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Then over here it broke structure to the downside because this candle closed below the swing low. So we were bearish over here, and there was this fair value gap which was formed over here, and I see like good selling pressure over here. I could have entered over here, had my stop loss around here or here, let's say just there, target the liquidity I was actually targeting, and that will be a really good trade. And another trade that I could have took was, remember the 15-minute liquidity I showed you? I got actually like really impatient. I could have waited for that liquidity to get swept as well. Let me just remove my drawings to not confuse you guys. So basically there was this liquidity as well, as you can see. I entered off this liquidity sweep, but there was this one as well, which I could have entered, and it got swept. So let's go on the 1 minute time frame, and okay, what was that? It got swept over here. We created imbalance right about here, a really good imbalance, like an A plus setup, if you ask me, because the middle candle is really big, and that's what I actually want. We had price tap in, tap out. I could have entered, let's just say, over here, have my stops right about here, and take profit will be on the like last 15-minute sell side liquidity, which was this over here, and that will be like almost a 4.0 risk reward ratio if I actually think about it. Like if I was a bit patient. Wait, let's see. Was the 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute was like bearish over here. It broke structure from this candle. So another really good confluence I can look out for. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Here's my journal real quick. November 4th. These were the timings. This was the risk reward ratio. This is the pips ratio, 0.55 lot size, and these are my my time frames, my 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so that was gonna be it for today. Should have waited for the 1 minute break of structure. Yeah, unfortunate. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, take care of yourself.